Want to change how Gemini captions look on your screen? You can customize the caption style easily. Here's how. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Then go to Caption Preferences. Next, select Caption Size and Style. Now tap on Caption Style. You'll see several options: Default, White on Black, Black on White, Yellow on Black, and Yellow on Blue. Choose the style that is easiest for you to read. For example, high contrast styles like Yellow on Black can be easier to see in bright environments. There's also a custom option, where you can adjust the style to your preference. Once selected, the changes apply instantly. And that's how to change caption style in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.